Hi everyone, in this video we will learn how to program nuMROBO as a obstacle avoidance robot. First of all, this is a basic block diagram using which you can learn the basic hardware connections of our nuMROBO as a obstacle avoidance robot. In case you need more detailed information on hardware assembly, please don't forget to watch our hardware assembly tutorial video. Now, let's move on to algorithm or flow diagram using which you will learn the basic working principle of our obstacle avoidance robot. Now let's move to our computer screen. Instead of writing a new code line by line from scratch, I will explain you the built-in example code for the obstacle avoidance robot, and we will upload that code into our robot's Arduino-compatible Uno board. First of all, open your Arduino IDE and open the example code for obstacle avoidance robot by going to File, Example, nuMROBO, and then Obstacle Avoidance Robot. This example code will open in a new window. Close the previous window and maximize the example codes window. This code is very much self-explanatory and contains commands to make you understand the code line by line. We are not discussing this code line by line in this video, but nuMectro technology keeps on organizing various online workshops from time to time in which we teach these codes in depth. Please don't forget to apply for these workshops on nuMectro Technology's website so that we can keep on sending you the invitation for these workshops. Compile the code by clicking on the verify button, and once the compiling is done, then we can upload this code into our Arduino compatible Uno board. To do this, simply click on the upload button. We have successfully uploaded the code into the Arduino compatible Uno board of our nuMROBO, and now it is ready to be used as an obstacle avoidance robot. With this, our programming nuMROBO as an obstacle avoidance robot video is completed. Please don't forget to watch our other tutorial videos. Thank you.